Away bafethu, away. It's your boy Jackson King, all the way from Orange Farm. So I'm about to tell you about umculo wabantu, of which is a movement, but I see movement engathi like political movement or something, but like it's a music movement, music movement. So I'm doing my mixtapes to get music to people yabo, like abantu abathanda ukustreama music yabo, labantu abafana nami abangathandi like ukumosha ispace yefoni yabo, abalalela nge-YouTube or Spotify yabo. So kahle kahle mina ngidlala ama-mixtape which athatha like isikhathi like like an hour yabo kuya ngale. But for now I'm still focusing on amapiano, which is music nje waziwayo waziwa abantu, obvious umculo wabantu. So yeah, music for the people yabo. So music vele khona, otherwise later on like I'm promising you to save or to give you umculo which is like ngathi umculo olocally yabo, because right now ngisase like regional yabo, like South Africa yabo jikelele, but umculo engathi ozobe ulocally ozayo, even like it's not like I'm stopping kunipha like no music original yabo, because like ekugcineni yabo like kumnandi like ukulalela ingoma yaziwa abantu yabo, kumnandi futhi nokuyidlala. So mina as i-hoster yo umculo wabantu, I'm a DJ yabo, and also I direct this show or this video engiyenzayo yabo. I'm planning everything engiyenzayo okwamanje, which is like isikhathi masiya I'll be having abantu azobe bangisiza with doing this, not that like yabo ngathi ngiyabaphatha and something, but it's just nje ukuthi siphushe lento lena yabo. Umuntu une-skill sokushutha like DM on my Facebook or Instagram account at Jackson King. Umuntu okwazi like ukushaya ama-videos, umuntu ofuna like simpromothele i-brand yakhe, we can do that yabo bafethu together as one yabo, since sisayiqala like le movement yabo. Then like I'll be needing abantu aba interested to send music wabo noma basubmit like music wabo to my Gmail account, which is sizakalanati info@gmail.com, sizakalanati info@gmail.com yabo. Ama-numbers engingangifonela kuwo it's 081 498 3998, 081 498 3998. So lana ke bafethu I'll be needing abantu abazosubmit like music wabo yabo. If the music consists of a copyright, then bafethu kwenzakalani. But for now like this is not for ngathi for me like benefiting financially, because yes like I can be paid, but this is not something engiyenzela ukuthi ngibhadale yabo for now bafethu yabo, for now, because like I'm still opening like izandla zami as wide as I can ukuthi umuntu onethuba noma umuntu onechance or umuntu nje ayenze i-choice yakhe ukuthi asubmit umusic wakhe lana kimi, then ngawufaka umusic wakho kuma-mixtape engiwenzayo. For now it's amapiano, but maybe after part 10 yomculo wabantu I'll start like doing amanye ama-mixtape, maybe like hip hop, maskandi, jazz, deep house, afro-tech, afro house yabo nje, ama-genre yabo. Okwamanje I'm still focusing on amapiano, cause it is where like ama-roots wami kahle kahle akhona ku-music yabo. So I'm also a producer by the way yabo. I also do ama-tracks of which you wanna check out. My latest music is See Me, Manhunt, Timeless Instruments, Don't Call Me, Peaceful Thoughts, like Amaketang, Amalanga Fani. Yabo. I have many releases. I started releasing music from 2021, I think, because the producer Vele Nkale 2020. So yeah, but the movement is about the music, and you can also share your stuff. Like if you're a brand, about manager or brand, what about it's like you can send your stuff. Uh, then I'll promote your stuff also here. About if it's a T-shirt, maybe I can wear the T-shirt, maybe scope or to put it somewhere. Like well, I can do those things perfect. So the only thing now is just that I'm focusing on music, but later on I'll be pleased to work with working with ama brands, like in all kinds of ama brands. I'll be pleased to work with them. So yeah, that's all for today. Peace out.